We're at 5617 Seedling Way, doing sanitary lateral inspection for the purchase of a home. We are going in the PVC stack to clean out in that, right next to the washer and dryer in the center left of the house of the basement if you're looking at the house. And we're looking for any structural issues, root intrusion, anything that may be of any concern to the buyer. So as you can see, here's the basement. Here's the clean out. Now there's also a clean out in the front of the house. Right before it exits the house, there's one in the floor. So if we need to, we can make a move over to there if we're not able to get all the way out from this clean out. I'm not aware right now as to where the main is or how far we have to go. It should be PVC all the way out. Okay, it looks like a connection from the left, probably the floor drain, and here's one either from the probably from the laundry. Make a left turn. Now we're going back right. And this is that clean out, I assume, right at the front of the basement floor. So now we should be exiting the building. We may change, not necessarily pipe material, but once we get close to the main, it may turn to a green PVC, which is SDR. It's just a thickness ratio. Here is a turn down. Looks like the line's dropping. Everything looks great so far. Now we're going to flatten back out. And if you pay attention in the bottom left-hand corner, there is a degree indicator, just let you know what angle the camera is laying. And so I was wrong about the green and the SDR. It looks like it's actually gone into a black PVC or an ABS plastic. This isn't real common, but they used it for use it sparingly, but usually, and that was like the late 70s, early 80s, mostly. Still, everything looks really good so far. No buildup, no root intrusion. The water level is staying well below, obviously, the camera lens, which is only about a ½ inch off the bottom of the pipe. And this should be a 6-inch diameter pipe, so things are looking really good. Ready to drop, which should indicate we're getting right next to the main here, which we are. You can see, there we are. We've dropped into the sanitary main. We're 108 feet out, which means it's either in the street or barely out of the street, but it is probably in the center of the street. Well, maybe 70 feet from the front of the house. But everything looked great on the way out. We're going to continue recording as we pull back, just to make sure we didn't miss anything. But this is about as good as you can ask for. Everything looks great, no indications of any previous backups. You can kind of see where the flow line is, where you have that white buildup on the side. That means that area usually stays dry. It shows you how low the water level stays most of the time. See, like right here, you can tell I'm sitting at a 45-degree angle. It means we're going, vertical. And then it should flatten back out right when we get to the top. There you go. So we're back in the house. Just went past the clean out. So as you can see, we've exited the clean out, but everything looked wonderful. The line looked great. No backup, no indications of any backups, no root intrusion, no structural issues at all. The line looked great. So that'll end the inspection at 5617 Seedling Way in Westchester.